Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to look at effective strategies in searching for a job. Whether you are just coming out of school or you are already working and you want to change your job to a new position that is available or that has been advertised for. It can also be that you have no idea as to where to find a job. So you want to use ChatGPT to effectively search for a job or look for where to search for a job. You can deploy or employ ChatGPT to help you with all these strategies. In this situation, we are going to identify the most efficient and targeted method for finding a job. When you do that, it is going to increase the likelihood of you landing a job that matches your skill, experience, and your career goals. Let's move straight to ChatGPT. We'll put in a prompt sample and let's see what will come out of it. What are the best strategies for a finance manager to find job opportunities? Include how to use a niche job board, LinkedIn, professional association, and industry specific events. Provide advice on tailoring application to specific companies and tips for reaching out to hiring managers or recruiters in finance. Assuming that that is my background, okay, I have a background in finance, assuming, and I want to use the AI to help me find a finance job. Okay, so I have sent in my prompt. Look, the results that are going to come are outstanding, and that is what I want you to know. It doesn't matter the area you want to find a job. When you use such a prompt or you tailor it around this, it will help you. And let me even make it clear and simple. There is nothing like a perfect prompt. So type it in, just following this line of prompt, and you will get the response that you expect or you are looking for. Okay? Let's get through to it. So I send my prompt, and within the twinkle of an eye, it's just giving us all this stuff. Number one, it's saying that leverage niche job boards, specialized job boards such as e-finance career, financial job bank, and all these are wonderful areas you can you can actually explore. Okay, if you are looking for a finance job, this is just coming in. We're just trying it as an example, but it is showing you wonderful areas. And if that is the area that you want job from, then it's just come in handy for you. Okay, so you can also use local and regional boards. But let me tell you, if you are in a specific geographical location, let that be part of your prompt. So let's say I come in here and I will say that, let me just enter this and say, I am currently looking for a job in Ghana. Or India, or if even it's India, you can specify a particular location. It's very important because if I don't state this, it will consider US as the default location, okay, and I will not get actually what I want. So now look at it. It says that for niche job boards, Ghana specific job boards, focus on platforms like Jobaman Ghana, Job Web Ghana, or Tonaton jobs for opportunities tailored to your local market. You get it? But initially, it was giving me all those uh, other job board platforms, which would not necessarily help me or help my cause as I move on. Okay, so it is good to be specific about your area of interest. Said for finance specific job, these are some of the things that you can look out for. So LinkedIn, it is telling you what you should do in terms of your profile optimization, job alerts, engage in content, and then direct messaging. Beautiful stuff. And it says that for professional associations, you can actually look at Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, CIMA Ghana, or Chartered Institute of Accountants Ghana, or CFA Society Ghana. So look, these are all wonderful stuff. You can pause, read through, and get the most out of it. Then when you are done, you can now use what we learned earlier, or you can use your technique, or you can use these strategies that you've learned earlier with respect to your resume creation and then your cover letter. You complete those stuff and then you send them to the areas that have been suggested to you. So I hope you've gotten this strategy and you'll be able to search for job at the right places, create your beautiful resume that matches your experience and your expertise, draft a very beautiful cover letter, and then get the job done.
For immediate access to the full course and to start transforming your skills today, click the link in the description below and enroll now. Or visit online.mycabsolutions.com.